Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a photo and trimming it to fit your mold. This avoids bubbles around edges later. Once trimmed, seal the photo with 2 to 3 thin coats of clear spray or water-based sealer, allowing 1 to 2 hours to cure between coats, because resin will soak in otherwise. Meanwhile, prepare your workspace and mix the resin and hardener precisely to the manufacturer's ratio, usually 1 to 1 or 2 to 1, stirring slowly to avoid air. Now you're ready to pour a thin base layer. Once the base layer has reached a tacky, toothy feel, position the sealed photo gently. You can place it face down for bezel pieces or face up behind glass for paper-thin embeds. Use tweezers or gloved fingers to avoid smudges and press lightly to remove trapped air. Support corners so it lies flat. After placement, pour remaining resin slowly in 2 to 3 thin passes, allowing each pass to level. If bubbles rise, pop them with a warm torch or fine toothpick, because surface clarity depends on it. You must cure the piece completely, typically 24 to 72 hours, keeping it level and dust-free. This ensures a hard, clear finish. Once cured, demold carefully, then wet sand starting at 400 grit up to 1,200, and polish or add a gloss top coat to restore clarity and remove layer lines. If you see clouding or white feathery spots, check whether the photo was fully sealed or if cure temperature was too low. Recoat the photo or apply gentle heat to finish. Act quickly to avoid trapping moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.